Hi, welcome to English with Polly. Want to sound more like a native speaker? Today, I'll teach you 3 super cool phrases you can use in daily conversations. And stay until the end, because we'll do a quick, fun practice together. Let's get started. The first phrase is spill the tea. This means to share gossip or interesting news. For example, come on, spill the tea. What happened at the party? Imagine your friend comes back from a date and you're curious about how it went. Instead of saying, tell me everything, you can say, spill the tea. Person A, you'll never guess what happened yesterday. Person B, spill the tea. Practice. Repeat after me. Spill the tea. Come on, spill the tea about your weekend. The second phrase is, I'm beat. This means you're really tired or exhausted. For example, I'm beat after working all day. Let's say you just finished a long workout. Instead of saying, I'm so tired, you can say, I'm beat. It's short, casual, and very native. Person A, do you want to go out tonight? Person B, nah, I'm beat. Let's stay in. Practice. Repeat after me. I'm beat. I'm beat after cleaning the entire house. The third phrase is no biggie. This means it's not a big deal or don't worry about it. For example, thanks for helping me with this. You can reply, no biggie. Imagine someone accidentally steps on your foot and says, I'm so sorry. Instead of saying, it's okay, you can say, no biggie. Person A, thanks for lending me your book. Person B, no biggie, anytime. Repeat after me, no biggie. No biggie, I'm happy to help. Now it's your turn. I'll describe a situation, and you'll need to pause the video and think about which phrase fits best. Ready? Example 1. Your friend says, I heard something crazy happened at work today. What will you say? Spill the tea. Example 2. You've just run a marathon and someone asks how you feel. What will you say? I'm beat. Example 3. Someone apologizes for being late to meet you. How will you respond? No biggie. Now you know 3 cool phrases that will make you sound like a native speaker. Spill the tea, I'm beat, and no biggie. Try using them in your conversations today. Which phrase was your favorite? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more awesome English tips.